Hey, Fred Lam here. Now in this video, I want to walk you through on exactly how you can install your Facebook pixel into your Shopify account. Now, not only do you need to install your Facebook pixel into your Shopify account, there are additional parameters that you need to follow, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what it is in this video. So first of all, what's a Facebook pixel? A Facebook pixel is a code that you place on your store. It helps you track conversions from Facebook ads, optimize ads based on the collected data from your pixel, and it builds targeted audience for future ads and remarket to qualified visitors. People who have already taken some kind of action on your store will all be recorded with your Facebook pixel. Now, the importance of your Facebook pixel is that it is a digital asset for your store. We all know that email is the #1 asset for an online business right now. And the second thing I do have to say, it is very important, is your Facebook pixel. Now, the Facebook pixel, it provides Facebook insights on the activities of your store and the performance of your ads. Facebook actually use this exact pixel to optimize your ads for the results that you desire for your Facebook advertising campaign. So all in all, in simple language, you need Facebook pixel. Especially if you're trying to advertise on Facebook, create retargeting, and to really have Facebook optimize the sales that you want for your store. Now, it is very important that you also need to know that Facebook pixel is needed to create something called lookalike audience. Lookalike audience is where the gold mine is at, and if you're able to actually move to the lookalike audience, you can easily build a 6 to 7 figure business a year once you actually have sufficient data for your Facebook pixel. Now, installing and converting your Facebook pixel is actually pretty simple. All you gotta do is to use Shopify's native integration for your Facebook pixel, and I will have a walkthrough on exactly how to do it in just a minute. Now, having the Shopify's native integration for your Facebook pixel is actually not enough. If you want the maximum performance and if you want the lowest cost per purchase and the highest return on investment for your ads, you need to further enhance your Facebook pixel with Pixabay. Now, Pixabay actually allows you to create specific product conversion and avoid confusion for Facebook optimization with the general purchase event. So let's say that right now your store have a multiple collection. Say that you have a store that sell, or I would say my store, for example, with demo purpose, let's say that my Dragon's Tribe is selling Dragon's Earring and also Dragon Home Decor. Now, the demographic of the people that will buy my Dragon Earrings will be very different from the ones that are actually buying the home decor products. And if I were to tell Facebook to optimize my ads based on anyone that actually purchased on my store, then you are not going to fully utilize the optimization that Facebook can do. Because when you're going in market, you want to tell Facebook, hey Facebook, I'm advertising my earrings, and I only want you to actually optimize and get me more sales for the earrings. Any other sales are going to be obsolete. You don't even have to worry about it, because when my ad is created, I only advertise the earring. I only want Facebook to actually get more sales for the earrings, not my entire store. And if you start to have more products into your Facebook ad account and all you do is to optimize off of the general purchase event, what's going to happen is that Facebook will not know exactly who the demographic is, and most importantly, they won't optimize at the best performance possible. So what you want to do is to use Pixabay to create specific product conversion based on the products that you are advertising. Now, with Pixabay, you can also create specific product custom audience. So let's say that you already have a couple hundred sales on the earrings. Well, guess what? You can create a lookalike based of that couple hundred sales of the earrings and get Facebook to find more similar customers that will most likely buy the earring. And obviously Pixabay can do so for you. Last but not least, Pixabay can also create product catalog feed for you to create dynamic retargeting campaigns. So it is exactly like what Amazon does. When you go to Amazon's website, check out a product, and you did not buy, what will happen is that very same product will continue to follow you wherever you go until you buy. That specific setup is actually done through the product catalog feed, and you gotta initiate what we call dynamic retargeting ads for the retargeting to work. And again, Pixabay can actually help you accomplish all that. Now, Pixabay is available in the Shopify App Store. All you gotta do is simply search up for Pixabay. Now, if you are getting Zero Up, or if you are a member of Zero Up Lab, you will get free lifetime access right into Pixabay. So I'm actually gonna do a demo right now on exactly how to first install your Facebook Pixel into Shopify, and number two, I'll also walk you through on exactly how to use Pixabay so that when you set up your ads, you are using the correct conversion. Alright, so we're gonna head over into our browser right now, and the first thing that you want to do is to go into your business manager accounts, select obviously your Facebook ad account, and on the top, click on this menu over here, go to all tools, and go to pixels. When you have done so, which I'm waiting for it to load, once you have done so, you'll see something like this. Okay, if it is a brand new ad account, this will actually prompt into your browser. All you gotta do is create a pixel, and I'm just gonna call Fretlime's Pixel, click on continue. Alright, once that is done, then I'm going to basically click on cancel, because all you have to do right now is that here where it says Pixel ID, copy this number, okay? Go into Shopify, simply head into online stores, preferences, and then paste it right in here. And all you got to do is press save. Alright, so that's it. The native way of having your Pixel installed for your Shopify store is done right now. Then your next step is to obviously create access into Pixabay. So let's say that you already got into the App Store, downloaded Pixabay, and we're going right into our Pixabay account. Once you have done so, head over to the settings, and you want to connect to your Facebook account. So once I've done so, I'm going to go back to settings, and you'll see that I'm connected to my Facebook right now, which is Fret Lam, and I'll choose the ad account that I was using. Alright, and press save changes, save settings. Once you've done so, head over back to the settings. And then what you want to do is to copy this URL over to here. This is the RSS feed, which includes all the product information from Shopify, and then we're pushing it right into Facebook. So all you gotta do is head over back into Facebook at the top, click on the top right corner, go to all tools, and this time under assets, click on catalogs. Alright, so once you have done so, all you have to do is simply click on create catalog, click on e-commerce, then next, and then it doesn't matter who it belongs to, it's up to you, and I'm going to call it the Dragons Tribe product catalog. Click on create. Now you click on view catalog, and you'll be brought into the screen. First thing that you need to do is to add products. All you gotta do is click on add products, and then you want to use data feed. Click on next, and then you want to click on set a schedule and put in the data feed over here. Now, you can actually have this data feed daily, hourly, it's really up to you. And what will happen is that every day at 7:08 p.m., Facebook will automatically grab the information from your feed right into Facebook. So let's say that if you created a new product, then what will happen is that the next day at 7:08 p.m., then this product or the product that you've just added recently into your Shopify account will now be added into your catalog. Then next, leave everything by default. You can change the data feed name if you want. Then click on Start Upload. Alright, so it's uploading right now. So if you are, let's say that you created a new product inside Shopify and want to use it right away for your ads, then what you got to do is that you have to fetch the data manually, okay? And I'll show you how to do that in just a minute, because like we've done earlier, it's fetching your information on a daily basis at the set time. And if you just added a new product and it has not hit the scheduled time, then you can actually fetch the information manually yourself if you want. All right, then click on Done. All right, once you have done so, the next thing that you want to do is to connect event source. Now, what it means by connecting event source is that you are simply connecting the Facebook pixel, okay, right into the catalog. So right now, this pixel that we have used for our Shopify account will now be synchronized with the catalog that we've just created. Click on Save. And now you are all done. So let's say that at the end of the day, when I was saying how can you fetch the data manually before the upload schedule time, all you got to do is go to the data source, click in the data source, and then you simply click on, where is it? Upload now, okay? When you click on Upload now, it will automatically refetch all the information again. Now, you may also see that some of the stuff will say missing description. It will tell you some of the products are not added. It will tell you what it is. You got to upload it. The Google product category can be ignored, all right? So, obviously, if you have any red, go fix it. We're not going to fix it for the demo purpose, but you can actually get it fixed by simply putting information in the description and then click Upload Now. So, now that you have all these done, what you wanted to do is go back into Pixabay and go to All Conversions. Now, inside All Conversions, you can now create a new conversion. Click on this button over here. And let's say that I want to advertise my free Icefire Carbon Fiber Dragon Ring. All I need to do is just click on the product, scroll down, and I say I want to actually choose the purchase event. So this is the main thing that you want Facebook to optimize off of. If I am creating an ad, or I am going to be creating an ad for the Icefire Carbon Fiber Dragon Ring, I want Facebook to optimize off of the purchase. So my goal is to actually get more sales for my Carbon Fiber Dragon Ring, because that's what I'm going to use for advertising, and I'm telling Facebook exactly to optimize just on this product. Not any other product, but just this product. Then at the bottom, I'll call this the Ice Fair Dragon Ring free plus shipping. And here it says enter your conversion value with no decimals. So because we're doing free plus shipping, it's $9.95. I have to round it up to $10. Facebook do not allow decimal points. You want to round it up. Now in this case, if you're using Keystone pricing, so you're charging retail price but plus shipping, you want to actually add in the revenue amount. So whatever you collect, including shipping, should be in this amount over here. Then all you got to do is create conversion. And now you may actually see that conversion was not created. This is actually going to be normal, because what's really happening is that at the end of the day, there's not enough pixel data going into your account just yet. So you can actually wait a day or two, or you can just simply go to your website, make a purchase yourself, and that will work as well. So just gonna go all collection. Oh, I don't have anything on there. Let me see if I can create again. Now, another reason why it may actually happen is you got disconnected from Facebook, so you got to connect again. So I'm going to create it again. If it's not, I have to do a test purchase. Alright, so I do have to do a test purchase. So I'm going to come back in a minute. I'm just going to do a test purchase, and I'll show you what to do with the rest of the stuff. Alright, so I finished my test purchase. So now all I gotta do is go click on create new conversion. Click on the product that we're gonna use for advertising. Click on purchase select product. And I'm gonna name this and put 10. Now remember, each time that you create an ad advertising a new product, you need to go through this specific steps. Okay? Click on create conversion. And oh, I think I created it already. It's right over here. I call it ice, and that's all you gotta do. Now, at the end of the day, here's another thing that you wanted to know. So let's say that I'm gonna create another one. All conversions, create a new one. And let's say that if you, now this is for advanced people that want to optimize of the add to cart. So you can do that at the same time. Ice, fair, dragon ring. Add to cart if you want, no conversion value, and you simply create that over there. There you go. That is created. Now, if you want, you should also, best practice is to create a new audience for the product that you're advertising. So I'm creating Ice Fair Carbon Ring, and I will actually have all these 4 created. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because when you are starting to actually scale up and wanted to create lookalike audience, now you can actually create the lookalike audience based off of the customer behavior events of what is happening. So you can actually create a lookalike audience of anyone that added that product to cart, or you can create a custom audience of anyone that purchased these select products. So I would actually start with the purchase select product first, because that is going to be your best lookalike audience. So in this case, I'm going to say Ice Fair Ring, purchased it customers. And I'm going to say last 180 days. And I'm going to say yes, include past customers, and create audience. And you are done. Alright, so now all these information are now actually allocated right into your Facebook account. So when you're advertising, which we'll talk about in the next video, I will show you how you can actually select the right audience and the right product conversion for your ads. Alright, now to recap. Get your Facebook Pixel installed. That's number 1. And once you've done so, please get Pixabay from the App Store. Once you have actually get Pixabay into your App Store, connect your Facebook account with Pixabay, and then upload the product catalog to Facebook. And once you have that all completed, do a test transaction. Okay, once you finish doing a test transaction, then you want to create a product conversion in Pixabay for the specific product that you are advertising. It is also a best practice to create your audiences of your advertised product in Pixabay, so that if the product takes off, you can start getting lookalikes at the same time. Now remember, like I said, each new product you advertise, you need to go into Pixabay to create the product conversion and audience. So go ahead, get your pixels installed, get Pixabay, and make sure you have all these stuff set in place. And once you're done, head over to the next video, because we are going to walk you through on exactly how to set up your ads for Facebook. And I'll see you in the next video.